Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, dinos of all ages, to the one, the only, the Jurassic Dodgeball Championship, where the balls are bouncy, the claws are sharp, and the tails are a public safety hazard. Tonight, the epic jungle gym arena is packed. The lights are blazing, and the crowd is roaring. And right there, in the spotlight, is our gentle giant, Diplo the Diplodocus. He's kind-hearted, he's friendly, and his tail is basically a wrecking ball with emotions. He's part of the legendary tail whip titans. Their coach, a very intense Triceratops, is pacing back and forth. All right, team, settle down. We are the tail whip titans. Today, we face the fastest, meanest, most coordinated dinos in the entire valley, the Veloci-Dodge Raptors. And just like that, the Raptors make their grand entrance. The lights dim, smoke fills the arena, and they walk out in slow motion looking like they just stepped out of a superhero movie. They've got matching headbands. They've got swagger for days. One of them is even chewing on a leaf like it's a piece of gum. They're fast, they're sharp, they're undefeated, and they absolutely positively hate Diplo's tail. In the stands, you can hear a flash raptor whispering to his friend, "Watch out for the tail." Seriously. Last time he played, he knocked out the scoreboard. And 3 concession stands. Warm-ups are on deck, but for Diplo, it's just total chaos and fun. He tries a simple stretch, just a little side-to-side bend. His tail swings out behind him. Bam! It slams into the bench, crashing against the wall like a wild shot. He bends down, reaching to touch his toes, feeling the stretch. Whop! The tail arcs up and sends the team's water cooler flying through the air, drenching the front row. Boom! He turns around too quickly, and the team mascot, a small Compsognathus in a foam costume, is now dangling from a branch in a nearby tree. Coach Triceratops is turning a darker shade of red. He stomps over, steam practically coming out of his nostrils. Diplo, I need you to respect the tail. IT is not a toy. Diplo looks down, completely embarrassed. I'm sorry, coach. It has free will. The audience bursts out laughing. Across the court, the Raptors just smirk, sharpening their claws. The referee, a pterodactyl with a very loud whistle, flies to the center of the court and signals the start of the game. Immediately, the Raptors unleash a furious, rapid-fire dodgeball assault. The air fills with the whoosh of flying rubber. Balls zoom past in dramatic slow motion, each one aimed with pinpoint accuracy. As they throw, the Raptors chant their terrifying motto: Speed! Strike! Swift! Bite! Diplo starts to panic. He tries to dodge left, he tries to dodge right, but there are just too many. His tail starts swinging wildly behind him like a helicopter blade that's come loose. And then something amazing happens. His out-of-control tail starts connecting with the incoming dodgeballs, knocking them back across the court like a pro tennis player hitting a volley. The crowd absolutely roars. The stadium announcer's voice booms over the speakers. I don't believe it. That's some serious tail technique from the big guy. The Raptors are stunned. They retreat to their side of the court for a quick huddle. Razor, their leader, glares at Diplo. Okay, new plan. Forget the legs. Forget the body. We're taking down the tail. Another Raptor, Pebble, looks nervous. Are you sure about that, Razor? That tail has already committed several property damage crimes today. But Flash, the fastest of the group, grins. We move as one. On my mark. Heroic music swells, and they break the huddle, charging forward in a fierce V formation, ready to conquer. They're a blur of speed and claws closing in on Diplo. But just as they get within striking distance, Diplo feels a tickle in his nose. A big, rumbling, prehistoric sneeze is coming. Chew. The force of the sneeze makes his entire body whip around, and his tail becomes a full-blown cyclone. It spins with incredible force, catching the entire Raptor squad and sending them flying in every direction like popcorn. One of them lands with a splat in a giant tub of nacho cheese. The crowd gasps for a second, then explodes in hysterical laughter. The laughter dies down, and Diplo looks at the chaos he's caused. He sees the raptor dripping with cheese, the others scattered around the arena. He looks down at his own tail with guilt. I didn't mean to hurt anyone. Maybe I shouldn't be here. My tail is just too dangerous. Seeing the genuine sadness in Diplo's eyes, Coach Triceratops walks over and puts a reassuring horn on his shoulder. His voice is soft now. Listen to me, kid. Your tail isn't the problem. It's never been the problem. It's your gift. You have to stop fighting it. Stop running from it. Master the art of control, and you'll totally win. But if you run from it, you're just gonna stumble and fall. Diplo looks at his coach, then at his teammates cheering for him, and finally at his tail. He takes a deep, calming breath. A look of determination crosses his face. Focus mode. Engaged. The referee pterodactyl swoops in. It's the final round. All other players are out. It's just Diplo versus the remaining Raptors. The ref holds up one single, shining golden dodgeball. The announcer's voice drops to a dramatic whisper. This is it, folks. This one, golden ball, decides everything. He tosses it into the center of the arena. The Raptors regroup, their eyes locked on the prize. But Diplo is a different dinosaur now. He's not panicked. He's centered. He digs his feet into the ground, feeling his strength. He coils his massive tail, drawing it back like a giant, scaly sling. The camera goes into ultra-slow motion. You can see every muscle tense as he begins the wind-up. The tail whips forward with unbelievable power. Boom! The golden ball flies across the arena like a comet, a blazing trail of light behind it. It doesn't hit a single raptor. Instead, it smashes directly into the center flag hanging above the court, triggering a massive explosion of confetti and streamers. The Raptors are out. The tail whip titans are the champions. The crowd goes absolutely wild. Fireworks erupt from the stadium roof. And from the corner of your eye, you can see the mascot finally fall out of the tree, cheering as he lands in a pile of soft leaves. The celebration is pure joy. Diplo's teammates try to lift him onto their shoulders, which is awkward because he's gigantic, but it's the thought that counts. Just then, the Raptor team approaches. Razor, still wiping a bit of cheese from his ear, walks right up to Diplo and bows his head. Respect. We underestimated you. Your tail is legendary. Diplo blushes, a shy smile on his face. Thanks. I just wanted to help my team. Suddenly, Coach Triceratops blows his whistle, getting everyone's attention. All right, team. You earned it. Ice cream for everyone. You all totally deserve this sweet treat. On me. A huge cheer goes up from the whole team. And even some of the Raptors stampede towards the snack stand, ready to celebrate their victory together. The camera freezes on Diplo, surrounded by his friends, finally at peace with his powerful prize-winning tail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic dino tales.